Lando, that collision did not help you. Daniel Ricciardo in the lead. Lando Norris has stacked it down the main straight. Here comes Ricciardo. It's going to be no.
You good, yeah? I'm good, luck. Good luck today. I want to see P3, huh? Why P3?
Man, the first time was so nice, I had to do it twice.
I ain't tried once. They say, you so fine, so I ain't tried once.
Personally, would like to wish you all happy holidays, and my little elf friend here, Alpha Maximus, would like to wish you something else.
Of course, a big thank you to all the fans for supporting us this year. I think it has been an amazing year together, and hopefully 2017 will be an even better year.
Helicopter, helicopter.